All right, good morning. Today is October 5th. It is ADP day and high volatile day today. We got one at 8. Oh shit, 8:15. It's right now. What the hell? I thought it was 8:30. Damn. Okay. Well, clearly I thought it was 8:30, but there's no moves. The market did not move. ADP numbers are actually better. More people employed than expected, but the market's pretty flat. We got another one, ISM PMI services at 10 o'clock. But here you can see on a 30-minute, nothing really, it's not moving, So I don't know. Anyways, just looking at the time frames, no reaction from the market. Daily, actually, let's go to the weekly, man. Look at this weekly. Just massive, man. In 2 days, it jumped 1,700 pips. Daily. Here we've just been trending up. It broke the previous resistance over here. You can see that. And it just shot up. Cleaned all this. Over here, I've had this marked as a pre-FOMC because that is a start of where the market dropped from the last FOMC in September, back in September 21. Right now, the daily is bearish. You might see some retracement, small upper wick from yesterday's market, and it just retracing. I don't know. Let's see this fib. Did it? Okay, so it actually might go up to 78 if I drew this thing right. Retracement. But anyways, daily is bearish. 4 hour, it's actually bullish. All right, we got some minor bearish candles, but the 4 hour candles are all small. They're not big like this one right here. So yeah, once this 4 hour, I'd love this 4 hour to close above this zone. Give us a nice entry around 9 a.m., 9:30 to go back up. Created a support and now continue up back bullish. Nice weak, there's some weak bearish candles. 1 hour, some consolidation, overnight movement, not much happening. Was that yesterday? Didn't drop, pull back. Yeah, right. A little bit choppy, a little bear flag there, but it dropped. Support was created over here. Now just consolidating. So let's see. Here it's pretty clean, right? So if the 4 hour closes above this, go back to the 4 hour. Even if it closes bullish a little bit, let's just mark it right now. So this is where the 4 hour opened. This white line, the 1 hour. If this 1 hour just closes even above this white line, that's pretty good for a 4 hour candle. And then we take buys as soon as it breaks the previous high. Clean traffic to the left on the 1 hour for at least, let's see, it's like somewhere here. Let's measure from here. 60 pips, not bad. 60 pips, right? Secure 1-to-1 and max maybe 160. 30-minute, nice upper wick. So we can go up to here, maybe get like 40 to 60 pips if it goes bullish. But what I really like is buys above this level, above this 4 hour level, right? Keep that in mind. Look at that. That is just clean. This whole thing will be retraced or corrected or whatever. 500 pips. A lot of money. And sells here is also pretty good too. Right, sells below here if the numbers are bad, or NYSE Open. Even up to here for minor resistance, minor support on base of the 30-minute. If you look at the 1 hour, it doesn't really exist. Support is much lower down here for 82, but there's 30 minutes. So since it is also a counter trend, maybe it could just bounce or get close to that level and then retrace. So, you know, looking to get a maybe like a 35, 40 pip. So yeah, that's the market today. What I was gonna do is actually review the ADP news. You got August 31. Let's go to August 30. Nothing happened on that day. June 2. So this is what you do, or what I do, when I'm looking for June 2. When I'm looking for to see if ADP moves, it doesn't. It moves at the open. So now I'm gonna be ready to take trades at the open. Let's see what else happened. May 4. That was 2:30. Nothing happened. March 30. Yeah, nothing. And then here at 9:30, you can see it just shot up. So in decent traffic, it went up. We go back to August 31st. 9:30. A little messy though, but it moved. More price action at the open. Next one is ISM. So now I know ADP's market moves at 9:30. Um, PMI. Let's check September 6th. News wise, it already moved at the open. Then it retraced. August 3rd. August 3rd, nothing much happened. July 6th. Pretty messy. June 3. I don't like that. Look at that. 8-4. So maybe nothing will happen with this, but we do have potential levels here. Hmm. Okay, so we're just gonna pause, wait to see how the 9 a.m. candle closes on the 4 hour, and then we'll have some more of a bias, especially this 4 hour close below. Ooh, that's even better. Clean traffic to the left. And since it's a 4 hour candle, maybe it'll even drop all the way and create the move from yesterday. So that's what could happen. So just gonna watch this for now. We'll see what happens. All right, so 9 a.m. candle has closed, and there's nothing. You can see here on the 4 hour, it basically closed at a support. I mean, right inside the zone. So it's not giving me anything. I'm gonna have to wait um till NYSE Open. You know, I mean, look at that. Right at support. Let's make it bigger. Actually, close it higher than support just by a tad. Like, look at that, right? 30-minute. Yeah, man, this thing closed inside the zone. So no entries. We are still making lower highs and lower lows, which is good, right? We see that. But anyways, we see that like trending down right there. And then also here. But we're at a support. So who knows what will happen. If it does, did this hit the same low? 29, 988, 9. Oh, okay, so this actually went lower than that previous low. So there is possibility that this thing can drop at a 62 pip risk for 40 pips, 40, 30 pip. I'm not feeling that. 28. That one I feel. If it just starts breaking down now, could be better. Yeah. I'm gonna need volume. That's what I need. Whoa. My internet better not be lagging on me. Close that and restart. Uh, Something's over my internet. Okay. But yeah. Um, that's what I'm gonna be looking for. Might have to restart the internet 1 second. Okay, internet is back on. Connection is on. Yeah, so just gonna wait for, let's go on to MetaTrader. So I still like the sell. I just need volume. I need volume on this. Otherwise, there's no way that I can take a trade on this. Okay, so switch so two. I don't know what's up with this. Two to six. Crazy. Anyway, yeah. Take so this is a low of this 965. See, 963. Man, this price 1.2. So like lower volume today. Okay, so 45 pip risk and at 35 pips. See what happens. Yeah, that would be the trade, you know. But we'll see what happens. It might not happen. Yeah, you're just gonna pause here. All right, we might actually get a setup right here. Um, it would be a candle flip entry. It did a retracement 304. We'll do like a 307 stop loss. So 43 pip risk, 10 pips away. If it breaks this, this off a 30-minute, 15-minute, also clean traffic for at least 34 pips. Looking pretty good. 5-minute strong bearish candle. You got a minute left for this. 5-minute to close. Man, my damn internet better not be giving me issues. Okay. Internet's on, but freaking shit froze. Oh my god. Man. What the hell? Be upset if this. Oh shit, it already broke it. Shit. Oh man, it broke it. Break it. I gotta fix this. This is whack. annoying. I'm gonna be doing this. Ooh, man, I missed out on 20 pips. So far, I missed out on 20 pips, man. All right, BRB. Internet's back on. Didn't have to call them, but something's going on. I don't like that. There it is. So far, I hit 20 pips for my entry. Ideally, I would like the 30, 35 pips. All right, man. Now can't be taking this trade. It already broke. Gotta wait for NYSE Open now. Because it's just too. Oh, man. Look at that. I had like 83. 15 pips in my favor. Like that. Pips. All right, so the trade, honestly, I feel good I wouldn't get it. Maybe I'd wait for it now. Just seeing price. Did this actually come back to entry? Oh, yeah. So he came back to entry. I wonder if I would have closed. Actually, let's see the 5 minute. 90 seconds for this 5 minute close. Okay. So with this, see, some people might have played this wick fill there. Yeah, actually, no, I would have been in because I would be following a 5 minute rule, which is hold the candle, hold the trade for the whole 5 minutes. It's gonna pull back, which it did. Probably gave me another entry there, but doesn't make sense to enter when that happens. It just shoots all the way up, Yeah, it's okay. '23. Yeah. So my plan right now is wait for the 30 minute to close. We'll get some volume, and we've seen that during NYSE Open, during ADP days, the market moves. Market moves a lot. So if the market moves, there should be enough, maybe enough momentum. 30-minute time frame, 15-minute man, 26. So I'm gonna wait till 9:30, see how this thing closes. If it closes with a there's an upper wick, then that'll be good. I mean a lower wick, that'll be good. We could take a wick fill trade at the open. And yeah. All right, so just quickly looking at this trade is looking very nice and juicy. This is a 30-minute time frame. Right now, I'm gonna still keep stop loss at the current. Now within this 5 minutes, this thing could just drop and it's perfectly fine. I'd rather miss it than get FOMO and cash that trade. But I'm gonna keep a 30-minute stop loss high because with the market open, we never know what's gonna happen. We You don't know if it's gonna just shoot up or shoot down and retrace like crazy. You know, especially with the ADP news and all that stuff, it might just shoot all the way up and then drop. So ideally, off this is a 15-minute time frame now. Actually, sorry, I kept this level here because this is where there's probably a little bit of a resistance and it might just drop there and pull back instead of hitting the support. So, you know, I'm giving up like 10 pips, which is fine. On the 15, ideally, I would like to keep it like this. 34 pip stop loss, which would make so much more sense. But I gotta factor in volatility. So what I'm gonna do is just keep a wider stop loss, you know, 80 pips. And yeah, I mean, if it right as soon as candle closes, I'm gonna open the trade. It might flip. If it flips and drops, then that's even a better entry for me. All right, 25. Let's do like 23.5. There we go. Okay, so 82 pip. So gonna be back in 3 minutes, and we'll. All right, man. 30 seconds left. Let's get this down here. This hit a low of 22, 2209, 20. Gonna be ready. Just take immediate sells. Okay. See if this flips. I like this retracement. So stop loss will be the current candle high. Damn. Okay, maybe nothing. See price action on the bigger time frames. 4-hour has a big, maybe a big liquidity grab. Maybe this is it to continue bullish. Could continue bullish now. Still respecting the previous 30-minute high though. So here's 1 hour, right? Bounce off that level. That was a key level that I mentioned, and you can see I highlighted it. 30-minute currently has not broken that high, but it definitely looks like it will. Yeah. Oh, there it goes. Broke it. Okay. So we're gonna remain bullish. Let's cancel that. Gonna cancel the trade. Messy over here, to be honest. Whole thing is messy. This whole area is messy. No entries there for me. Even though it gave us setup. Actually, no, it was a messy setup. So nothing here. And I think I'm just gonna have to wait till what is it, ISM or something? PMI numbers come out. That's it. 30 minutes, 4 hours, nothing. I mean, I know the previous 4-hour close there. And nothing moved. Where this trade goes. Yeah, 1 hour. Bullish. Yeah, I should have taken that trade, eh? Should have taken that trade, man. I was risking 40 to make 40. Would have made my money. have friggin' internet cut off. All good. Wasn't meant to happen. Going now. Hmm. Huge wick rejection just now. Huge wick rejection. Let's see. 30-minute. Let's see. I'm gonna pause here and wait till we get something. All right, there's some price action happening right now. 15-minute is dropping a little bit, and it's moving pretty fast. I mean, big ass wick rejection could be due to the PMI news coming up at 10, but it's only 9:45. So, I mean, look at this big wick rejection. That's a 5-minute right there. 15-minute. I wanted to break that previous low. I wanted to close it like a minimum body. Next 15-minute, next hourly. Let's see the hourly. Yeah, if it closes like down here, that's a perfect hourly sell. Perfect. 30-minute, yeah. So we got another 15 minutes to wait around till it sets up, but that's ideally what I'm looking for. All right. So we got 90 seconds, 1 minute before this PMI news comes out. And basically, I want this 15-minute to close above this zone, right? I mean, you got the 1 hour on the smaller box up there. But here on the 1 hour, man, is just indecision, stuck in this range. So not gonna take no impulse trades. 30-minute big ass candle. I need this close above, but it's just whipping up and down. 15-minute, nothing. I need this 15-minute to close outside. You can see that is a nice resistance, right? I mean, even right here, goes below that. Obviously, who knows if it's gonna go up? Yeah, right. 20 seconds. Okay, let's see. Let's see. 8 seconds. I just can't take no impulse trade. So this thing's gonna probably fly. Boom. Quick drop. I might take a buy if it flips. Let's see. That becomes a liquidity grab. Input risk. I'm gonna use half risk. If it breaks a previous candle low, no trade. Okay, no trade. No trade there. Let's see what the results are. Oh, it's good. Good by 0.7, and this talks about how the businesses react to the market conditions. Even though it's good, market's flipping bearish. I think what I've learned from even like the previous one is just wait 15 minutes and see where the market first 15-minute closes. If it goes up without me, I mean, now I probably still get ready to take sells. I wouldn't take sells. Um, wouldn't take sells on the break of this low because stop loss is too big. 5 minutes up. Yeah, stop loss is too big. And also, if I look at a 30-minute, break below this is it's a bit cleaner. So even if it drops without me, that's fine. I have a 15-minute closure below. More news. NFP on Friday. So, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Just basically, the whole move yesterday is just gone. Like this was a move from yesterday, right? Liquidity grab, and it just corrected it all. So we're gonna pause this and wait till this 15-minute to close. We got 6 minutes left, and it looks like this 5 minute just has some more volume right now. But I'm not gonna take it. It flipped. It might break. It might go all the way down to support now. But it can't be picking these trades, especially when it's been choppy like this. Here on the I mean, look at the 30. It's really close. 1 hour, 4 hours. Nice. It flipped bearish now. So if it breaks that, I think for sure it's gonna drop. 70, maybe 109 pips. But yeah, it is quite volatile. It looks like we might get a 15-minute closure below, and I can minimize risk just by decreasing it somewhere here. 75 cents. Especially if we do a candle flip entry. Ooh, juicy trade. But if it drops, that's okay, man. I got no FOMO. The stop loss is still big. Like, I'm risking 150 for the 76. I'm risking 155 just to make 50 pips. Doesn't make sense. So I'm gonna hold this. It drops. It drops. Good. It doesn't drop. It's okay. So I'm using the 5-minute high because it's inside the zone. Big wick rejection should not break that. Decent lot size. If I want, I could also put it up here. Okay, so there we broke it, which is fine. Clean traffic to the left on the 30. Super clean. So if we get a nice RO risk on the candle flip entry in 3 minutes, maybe I'll take it. but it just dropped all the way. See, look at that. You see, I can't handle that shit. I saw a max 20 pips. Now it's minus 20 pips. Just wait. To do this. Two minutes left. I'm a little inclined to do the candle flip. Should I do a wick fill? But I think it's risky. I haven't experienced so much of that, especially since 4 hour. It's retracing back up again. I don't like that. All the way to the zone is about 40 to 50 pips. See. Risk. This 5 minute close is bearish. That's pretty good too. And if it goes below that line, but I think that will happen. One. Hey. What I want is a upper wick. It gapped down, but no entry for me, man. No entry. I'll run us. Hit risk. 72 for 50. 40 to 50. 50 to 50 pips. Want to see a higher upper wick rejection. I ain't getting that. And the only way I'll use the current candle high is if it's in the second half of this candle. trigger finger on the open trade button on Magic Keys. Gonna get it like, oh yeah, I'll close 90% at 40. Okay, so in. I'm gonna keep the 40. Yeah, stop loss is the previous 5-minute high, which, you know, when you look at the 15-minute, it gapped down, wicked up, drop, probably did a wick fill, but, you know, I think it has potential to still drop to support. I'm gonna use that, so just gonna document now. 7. 95. If it close, let's see where this 5-minute closes, and I might have to close half if it breaks its current high, you know. But we got 5 minutes. Let's see where this 5-minute closes. Something I'm documenting on the side is, was this chart messy? Uh, 2 trade taken at 10:16. Sell. 30-minute. I think it was a 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. Previous breakout. Entry. 15-minute previous. We are clean. Let's see if we break this. We're off to the races. So this 5-minute is gonna close bearish, which looks good. Broke the doji. Big bearish candle. Should continue down. Um, see, I said 5 minutes has helped me immensely. Just holding this. Just holding this. I only saw a MFB of like 8 pips. It's not bad. I'd hate it if it, you know, it just tapped that. I don't like. Yeah. 15 close bullish. I'll have to close half. I mean, lips bullish. I'm gonna have to close half. I feel like closing full, but I'll close half. I mean, if it respects that high, then that's good. Even if this 5 minute close is bullish, then I gotta close half, no matter where it's at. That's just the plan. Okay, close tap right there. D2. This is a bad trade. 42 pips loss on that one. So in hindsight, I think with this, maybe I should have just taken the wick fill of this one. You know, but it only shot up like man. 10 pips, 45, you know. I ain't into that. I like candle breaks. And there was not a high volume thing. I got a 3.6 lot. I need this to break it. It'll probably go now. It's clean. Let's go. Good drop. I don't think that was an emotional close. Because when you look at structure, you don't want it to flip bearish, right? It went up, went down. Five minutes, 10 seconds. Let's see where this 5 minute closes. Five-minute close bearish. On when did I close in a doji? Oh no, I closed bearish. Okay, should drop. I think this thing should drop. I gotta wait for this 15-minute to. Retest, no break. How do you interpret that information? Oh, see, I would bring stops to the previous 5 minute high because don't want to lose that. When you look at 30-minute, it looks so clean. That's like easy thing to fill. 30 to 35 maybe. Thing should just drop. See. So honestly, if this hits, basically just gonna be break even. Ooh, 30-minute. Okay, so I need, this is a 30-minute. 30 minutes is gonna also close in 3 minutes. I need this 30-minute to close below this. Close below this area right here, this wick and this body. Because if it doesn't, then it'll probably just retrace up, you know, and it's messy. Just looking at other time frames, I don't see any clear. I don't see any clear move. The only clear move is this 4-hour flip. We took an entry right here. But that was, ooh, damn, yo, down. But it is risky. Picked up. Where do you put stops after it breaks that low? You don't know. Really don't. I think this trade was decent. It was clean to the left. Waited for closes below. You know, big 30-minute drop, 15-minute volume. I couldn't take it off off couldn't take it off this little candle wick to fill that, because that was such a tight stop, you know. Such a tight stop. 26 just did not make sense. Too risky. 5-10 pip stop or something, you know. There. 20 pips. Yeah, 20 pips, but that shit risky, man. Shit risky. All right, watching this 30. Let's go. Ugh. If it closes above, I'm gonna close half, but it looks like it's gonna close bearish. I do fear that one is gonna retrace, man. You know, 5-minute doji, same support, but lower high, low at 89.59, 89.39. 5-minute. Damn, man. Just never know. Makes sense for it to pull back a little, but getting a little emotional because I'm holding this trade for too long. You know, and that's out of my comfort zone. But I have to appreciate that one. I decreased loss. I risked, and I'm getting better at holding trades. This shit is so choppy, man. So choppy. Any news after 10:30? Wanted to break that previous 15-minute low, and then it should just drop. clean. Look how clean that is. Can't get cleaner than that, man. Watching this, gonna manage risk. I see 20 pips. I'm gonna close cost 75%. Downward pressure. Oh, so close. Oh, oh! Alright, there we go. So basically almost break even. Lost 20 bucks for today. Gonna let this run. Actually, yeah. We got a 0.4 lot. So the trade played out, you know. I think next time, what do I do? I like here, I didn't lose too much, but next time, so just looking at this, stop loss is that entry. You know, it retraced and broke the previous 5-minute high. When did I close this? When I closed it. So I closed it just 2 minutes into the candle. Now with that, I mean that is scary because it's a little support area. It broke the previous high. Okay, one thing I think I know to improve on this is the emotions. Holding too long. Improvement is small wick and then you retrace. And so what I mean by this is that we had a small upper wick right here. And it dropped. So it only makes sense for the market to shoot all the way up, maybe create a higher wick. I'd have to see that a bit more. But here, this was a drop. It was a decent entry. So maybe when the trade that I enter has a small upper wick, you know, it might want to retrace or just hold for the 5 minutes. You know, and I mean, for my stop loss, I think it was, where was it? How big was it? 72 pips, which was right up here. So I saved myself 30 pips, which is a lot. That's a lot of money. 30 pips. Yeah, I saved myself a lot. So I think that's good. This one's gonna get stopped out, which is fine. And it tapped that support, right? See, I wasn't greedy. I didn't want it all the way down here because here you got a little resistance. Tapped it and then, you know, it dropped. It's all good. Let's lock this trade in. 0.2. 9864. 3 pips. This trade, like, now I feel good just holding the trade. This is nice. Got a 0.4 lot. It stopped out. Stopped out. Made 2 cents off that. So today I lost 15 bucks. Can't get mad at that. It's amazing. That's pretty good. Wi-Fi is out again. All right, so yeah, man, lost nothing. Just basically a break-even trade. It's all good. All right, gonna shut it down. See y'all tomorrow.